So if you want to restore messages on your Google Pixel 9a, so keep in mind that there are not many ways of doing this, but let's go through them. So first of all, open up your Messages application, tap on your account icon and look through your archived messages. Maybe you'll find something there, maybe you're not deleted them but archived. If they're not here, that's not the case. Let's go to the next step. You are to open up your settings, and to do that you have to reset your Google account. So basically I haven't done that yet, so you can copy data from other device. You can press start, right, and you can do this through Pixel or Android device. However, in order to open up this menu, you are to open up your settings, open up your account, open up your backup, make sure that you have your backup turned on this device. And here in your backup list, you shall find in your storage, of course, whether you have any SMS and MMS backed up. So if you have any, you are to open up Manage Storage. There you'll find your backup file and you are to press Restore. And unluckily, there are no other ways of restoring backup messages unless with routine and connecting it to PC. However, this is a topic of another video, which we will go through next time. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.